Today we're continuing my wall hanging mask series by adding a cute little skeleton because spooky season is every season, and art is just here to make you smile, so make whatever makes you happy. Working with my favorite porcelain clay again, this is probably one of the easiest builds I've done yet. Wall art is a pretty easy project because there are a lot less things that can go wrong compared to making something that will be used in a functional way. Plus, since skeletons are white, that also means a lot less glazing work is needed for this project. I did pick up a new sponge for finishing. It's from the mudtools brand and I've held off for a while because of the price tag, but I've noticed since I've been working with mason stains and not using glaze on some pieces that my finish just isn't as smooth as I'd like. I knew that I'd need a better sponge specifically made for finishing, so I invested in this white mudtools sponge, and honestly I could not be happier. It's well worth the price tag, and I really hope it lasts me a long time because this was not sponsored. This project is a single fire, and if you're interested in trying single firing, I'd suggest starting with a non-functional piece so you can test the waters and see how it works in your own kiln. You can use underglaze on greenware, which means before it's gone in the kiln at all. Usually though, you would bisque fire your piece before adding any glaze, but I'm only using a clear glaze on the eyes for this piece, which is why this would be a good test project for single firing if you haven't tried it. I majorly watered down a black underglaze for the iris to give a spooky look, and I think it worked pretty well since I didn't want to just cut out the eye holes and see the wall behind when it's hanging. What do you want to see me make next for my masks series? Let me know in the comments below.